Okay, the polygon angle sum theorem states the sum of the measures of the angles of an n-gon. Remember, what we're doing is we're saying we want to find out what all the angles total. It doesn't matter whether it's weirdly, irregularly shaped. If it is a, let's say, pentagon, all pentagons' interior angles add up to the same thing, no matter which, individual angles there are. They always sum up to, in the pentagon's case, 540. Okay, but what's the general formula? Well, the general formula is the number of sides minus 2 times 180, which is D. And before I just cut you loose on that, I want to explain why that's true. You can take any shape, let's say a hexagon, and we can say from there, if we were to send a if we were to connect one vertex with all the other vertices that's not already connected by sides, we could then say, how many triangles do we get? Each triangle contributes 180 degrees to the total, in this case, hexagon. So we would get 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles out of there. Okay, and if we did it again for, let's say how many sides I'll make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why not? Okay, and let's connect those. We say then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of triangles you can make, and therefore the number of groups of 180 that you get, is always 2 less than the number of sides. This had 6 sides and there were 4 triangles. This had 7 sides and there were 5 triangles. So you take the number of sides minus 2 and then say I need that many groups of 180. So this becomes your formula. That's why it works.